I'm going to give you a whistle-stop tour of who we are, what we do and how it works. And we are one of the largest manufacturers of cryptocurrency mining hardware in the UK. So if you want to be crude about it, we have a very glorified computer shop. This bit about a machine paying you, how can that possibly work and what's that all about? We build and manufacture the computers. You can take them home and run them. Effectively, all these different crypto companies that need computer processing power pay you for that service. You need to upkeep the network and keep it running. And as a thank you, you're able to get paid in crypto for providing that computational service. Easy peasy. How does it benefit you particularly? What is the angle? How does it make sense? What we're proposing to do is you can effectively take your barn, your land, whatever type of space you want, effectively turn it into a mini data center, and you're able to earn quite substantial incomes from basically processing these machines, and they just can sit there running away in the background whilst you crack on with the day-to-day operations. Hopefully that's been really, really helpful for you, and I look forward to speaking with you all soon. Thank you very much.